fun and effective way to teach kids about electricity. Join me as I take on the challenge of teaching kids all about electricity in the simplest way possible. Teaching kids about electricity is super important because it's all around us, powering our homes, schools, and even our favorite gadgets. Understanding electricity helps kids appreciate the world they live in and can even spark curiosity about science and technology. Explaining electricity to kids can be tough, though. Sometimes it's hard to make complex ideas simple and fun. Parents and educators often struggle to find engaging ways to teach these concepts. They might worry that using too many technical terms will confuse kids, or that boring explanations will make them lose interest. Making electricity relatable and interactive is key. We need to find ways to connect it to their everyday experiences. Let's break down some basic electricity concepts. Electricity is the flow of energy through a circuit. Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. The flow of water is like electric current, and the pressure pushing the water through the pipe is like voltage. When we talk about circuits, we're referring to the path that electricity follows to get from one place to another. For example, when you plug in a toy, the electricity flows from the wall outlet, through the cord, and into the toy, making it work. Simple, right? Another cool concept is that electricity can be controlled using different materials. Some materials, like copper wire, are great at carrying electricity, while others, like rubber, help keep it safe by blocking it. To make electricity more tangible, let's do a fun experiment. We'll create a simple circuit using a battery, some wires, and a small light bulb. By connecting these components, we can make the light bulb turn on. This hands-on activity helps kids see how electricity works in a real way. As we wrap up, remember that electricity is all about the flow of energy through circuits, controlled by voltage and current. It's what makes our modern world work. If you've learned something new or have a favorite electricity fact or experiment, comment below. Don't forget to check out our next video on cool electricity experiments you can try at home. Hey curious minds! Welcome to Electric Explorers, where science sparks to life. Today, we're diving into 20 fun and effective ways to learn about electricity. Are you ready to light up your brain? Let's go! 1. Static electricity balloon trick props. Balloons. Hair. Rub a balloon on your hair. Whoa! See how it sticks to the wall or lifts your hair. That's static electricity. It happens when electrons move from one object to another. 2. Make a human circuit props. Energy stick or simple buzzer circuit. Hold hands in a circle and connect the energy stick. You just became part of a circuit. Electricity flows through us just like wires. 3. Build a simple circuit. Battery. Wires. Bulb. Let's build a basic circuit. Connect a battery to a bulb using wires. The bulb lights up. That's electricity doing its job. 4. Play the conductor or insulator. Metal spoon, rubber, wood, plastic, aluminum, etc. Which items let electricity flow? Try them out in your circuit and shout, conductor or insulator. 5. Electricity-themed coloring sheets. Printable worksheets. Let's get creative. Color in electric symbols like batteries, plugs, and light bulbs while we learn their names. 6. Electricity roleplay. Be the electron. Be the switch. One kid moves like an electron through the wire. A line of students and others act as a switch, turning power on and off. 7. Lemon battery experimentalments. Copper and zinc nails. Wires. LED. Let's make a fruit-powered battery. Lemons have acid that helps electrons flow between metals. Your LED lights up zesty science. 8. Snap circuits or little bits. KitStem kits. Build alarms, fans, or radios with these kits. Easy snaps make learning about electricity safe, fun, and interactive. 9. Sing an electricity song. Electrons move. They flow and go through wires fast to make light glow. Sing to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle or similar. 10. Story time. Meet Eddie. The Electron book or story script. Meet Eddie. He travels through wires, bringing power to your TV, toaster, and lights. Let's follow his journey in our story. 11. Electricity quiz game show. Flashcards. Buzzers. What powers your TV? A. Water. B. Electricity. C. Air. Beast. That's right, electricity. 12. Electricity board game or bingo. Each time you land on a circuit piece or match a symbol like a resistor or battery, collect points. Learning plus playing equals winning. 13. Water and electricity simulation. Clear tubing. Colored water. Pump. Water flowing in pipes is like electrons in wires. More pressure equals more flow equals more electricity. 14. Create an electricity poster. Design your own how electricity works poster. Add pictures, lightning bolts, and electric facts. 15. Play with electromagnets. Nail, wire, battery, paper clip. Script. Wrap wire around a nail, connect to a battery, and boom! You've made an electromagnet that picks up paper clips. 15. Play with electromagnets. Nail, wire, battery, paper clips. Wrap wire around a nail, connect to a battery, and boom! You've made an electromagnet that picks up paper clips. 16. Watch a short animated video. Let's watch this cool animation about how electricity gets from power plants to your plug. 17. Electricity hunt at home or school. Find 5 things at home that use electricity. Is it a toaster? A lamp? A tablet? Great electric detective work. 18. Make a light-up paper card, copper tape, coin, battery, LED. Create a birthday or holiday card that lights up with a simple circuit. Science plus art equals awesome. 19. Battery sorting. Kalenja props. Various types of batteries. AA, AAA, 9 volts, etc. Sort the batteries by size, shape, and voltage. Which one powers your TV remote? That's right, AAA. Imagine life without electricity. Close your eyes. No lights, no fridge, no video games. That's life without electricity. Can you imagine it? Whoa! We just lit up our brains with 20 awesome electricity experiments and games. Which one was your favorite? Remember, electricity is powerful, so always stay safe and learn smart. See you next time on Electric Explorers. Parents and teachers, check the description below for free printables and safe DIY experiment kits to keep the sparks flying at home.